Today we will share our new product. One set cutting die could make 5 styles of cigar box. First of all, look at these 3 cute animals. One is panda, one is bear, one is cat. There are tags and labels inside, so you can put your photos or some little gifts in it. If you don't like cute animals, you can also make 2 regular styles. One is like this with a display window, and the other is without display window. This box can also put 3 multiply 4-inch Project Life cards. It is on stock and you could purchase it now.